Alexis, what type of toy do we have today?
Casserole.
You're right. Count along register. And it's made by LeapFrog.
Yeah.
All right. What are you going to do, Alexis?
Open it.
You're going to open it. Go ahead, girl. Open it up. This looks like a fun toy.
Yay! I'm going to take this out. Eggs. Eggs.
Oh, what is that?
Eggs.
Eggs. All right. What else you got? Oh boy. Oh, what's that?
I'm on my card.
Oh, you got a credit card for your groceries. Oh, what do you got there?
I'm corn.
Oh, vegetables.
And this is grapes. And this is carrots.
Oh, wow.
And money.
Oh, you got money? Oh boy. You got more goodies? Oh, more money. Oh, what do you got?
I got bread.
Oh, you got bread?
Yeah.
Ooh.
More money.
You have any more stuff to take out?
Yeah. I got strawberries.
Strawberries. Oh, I love strawberries.
Me too. Ow.
Uh-oh.
The milk is stuck.
The milk is stuck.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna help you.
I can get it.
Okay.
I can get it. Oh, no. Cheesy. Okay.
All right, you got all your stuff now.
Let's pay it. You sit down over here.
Yes, I'm sitting down.
You sit down on the floor.
You want me to sit down?
Daddy, on the catch. Yum.
Oh, wow. Turn the cash register so I can see it too.
Scan 2 items. Your total
Wow.
is 2 coins.
On the pay. On the pay.
Okay, you got it.
So tasty.
Wow.
You scan 1
That's where you put the money, huh?
Your total is 1 coin. Insert 1 coin. You scan 1 item. Your total is 1 coin.
Okay, what do you want?
What do I want? What do you have on the register?
Money.
Oh, money. Do you have
And
any?
what do you want to
Insert 1
pay?
coin.
I'll take some eggs.
Okay. And what do you want now?
I'll take some grapes. Do you have any grapes on the cash register?
No, maybe I have it.
Oh, yeah. Why don't you hit the button?
Okay. And what do you want now? Cheese?
I'll take some cheese.
Maybe you can have strawberries.
Okay, I'll take some strawberries.
Okay, I'm gonna pay.
Red strawberries. What egg?
Wow.
Wow.
And then
Purple grape.
Purple grapes. Ooh.
Delish.
okay, you have I'm gonna pay you
Are you
$1.
ready to check out? Press the green total button.
I got 1 change, did you?
Oh, thank you. Okay. I'll take it.
Great.
Thank you,
What's
Alexis.
your favorite fruit?
And your turn now.
It's my turn?
You give me the money.
Oh, you want the money? All right. And you have a credit card too.
Yeah.
It's right behind you. You can swipe it.
Yeah.
Let's see what happens when you swipe the credit card.
And your turn.
Oh, it's my turn. Okay. Thank you.
It's harder for you.
Let's see what happens when you swipe the credit card. Let me get the credit card.
Okay, I'm just putting all the food here.
Okay. I'll take the credit card and let's see what happens. Let's see.
Discount on milk today.
Ooh.
Me, I want milk.
What do you need today? Which shop?
I want bread and then milk and then
What do you need today? Which shop?
maybe you can pay me. I want bread and milk
You got all those groceries?
and then strawberry and carrots and I want $4 to that. I want $4 the milk and bread and milk. You pay me, please.
Yes.
You pay me.
Oh, okay.
I want the egg, and then I want the milk.
Okay.
I want the bread.
Let's put the kissers against the wall so we have more space to play.
Maybe not. Maybe. Maybe over here is better.
No, it's just a little too close. Let's put it over there.
And you can reach.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
All right. You did a good job.
And
There
you
you
can
go.
reach now.
I can reach now. All right, you know what you do? Push the button that says milk.
White milk.
Ooh.
Best ever.
Let's see. Push the button that has carrots.
Orange carrots.
Ooh.
Mm-hmm.
Let's push the button that has bread.
Brown bread.
Wow.
Whoa.
Where's the eggs?
White egg.
Oh my.
Don't drop the egg.
Wow, don't drop the eggs.
Guess we'll make an omelet.
Where's the cheese?
Yellow cheese. Mmm.
Oh, and the grapes?
In the fruit aisle, I'm shopping around. In the fruit aisle, look what I found. Purple grapes.
And what's that button? Let's push it.
Green peas.
Green peas.
Yum, yum.
Let's pay now.
You wanna
pay
pay?
now?
Okay, I'm gonna pay in a little while.
Okay.
But you know what, Alexis?
Green total button.
It's time to go, so say goodbye, everybody.
Goodbye, everybody.
Thank you very much for watching my channel.
Where's my channel?
Please subscribe to my channel.
Where's